In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover deleted data from Slack. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, let's dive right in. First off, it's important to understand the limitations inherent in Slack when it comes to recovering deleted data. One of the key points to remember is that Slack does not have a built-in recycle bin, which means individual users cannot directly restore any content that has been deleted. This can be frustrating, especially if you've accidentally removed something important during a busy day at work. Now, if you're a workspace owner or an administrator, there are a few options available to you for recovering deleted data. One of the most effective methods is to use Slack's native import and export tools. These tools allow workspace owners and admins to access exports of workspace data. This data can be manually obtained or can be scheduled to be exported at regular intervals. When you download this data, it will be in JSON format, which is a bit technical, but it's a step in the right direction for retrieving your lost messages or files. If your organization has integrated any third-party cloud storage or backup software with Slack, this is another avenue worth exploring. Many organizations have systems in place that automatically back up their data, and this can include Slack content. So, if you're in this situation, check those backups thoroughly to locate any missing files or important text that may have been lost in Slack. Next, let's talk specifically about the tools available to workspace owners. If you manage a workspace, you may have the ability to recover deleted messages specifically from public channels. Slack's administrative tools may allow you to do this, but keep in mind that the capacity to recover data heavily depends on your specific workspace settings and the data retention policies established within your team. If these settings are configured to delete messages permanently after a certain period, your chances of recovery may be slim. It can be a bit of a tricky process, but here's the key takeaway. Always be proactive about your data management in Slack. Regularly exporting data can save you a lot of headaches in the event that something is accidentally deleted. Encourage your team to be mindful when deleting messages or files, especially if you're working in a collaborative environment where information is shared frequently. To summarize, while recovering deleted data from Slack can be challenging due to its lack of a built-in recovery feature, workspace owners and admins have tools at their disposal. By utilizing Slack's export tools, checking any third-party backups that may exist, and understanding the capabilities of administrative settings, you can increase your chances of retrieving lost information. Thank you for joining me today as we navigated the steps for recovering deleted data from Slack. Remember to be cautious when managing your messages and files, as prevention is always better than cure. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more informative content.